Can you solve this riddle about animals? I am always quacking up. What am I? Shishibe, duck.
Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away.
Wenijagin,
Who are you?
Saksi,
Deer.
Saksi Nibwe,
Deer standing.
Saksi Gagwashksao,
Deer is jumping.
Saksi. SPK,
Spider.
SPK Sababiske,
Spider making a spider web.
SPK Tukozi,
Spider climbing.
SPK. Gwakwade,
Grasshopper.
Gwakwade Gwashksao,
Grasshopper jumping.
Gwakwade Wabinetso,
Grasshopper cleaning.
Gwakwade. Shishibe,
Duck.
Shishibe Bamataga,
Duck swimming.
Shishibe Bamashi,
Duck flying.
Shishibe. Muck,
Beaver.
Muck Mikchui,
Beaver working.
Muck Wisna,
Beaver eating.
Muck. Wenijagin,
Who are you?
Saksi. Wenijagin, SPK. Wenijagin, Gwakwade. Wenijagin, Shishibe. Wenijagin, Muck.